Web browser is basically a program or an app, popularly Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, Microsoft Safari, that enables you to surf the internet or connect to a web page or a website. Now you will say, why do I need to secure my browser? Higher the functionalities, web browser would be less secure. Discovery of new bugs happens post software is installed, configured and compiled. You tend to click on link without considering the risk element. An illegitimate website is spoofed to disguise as legitimate. The third-party software may or may not release the security updates. Many of you don't know how to configure a web browser securely. Now let us understand few security vulnerabilities that affect us. One of the popular known is ActiveX. Microsoft Internet Explorer uses ActiveX that allows application or the part of application used by web browser. The part can live in the system or may offer other parts as a downloadable object. Now the problem here is that ActiveX can install any unknown application from an unsecured web page that increases the chances of surface attack on a client-side system. Now Java, an object-oriented programming language used to develop active content for a web page. Java code or Java code executes within a sandbox where interaction with the rest of the system is limited. But the vulnerabilities in Java applets can bypass this limitation or restrictions. They always prompt the user before they execute. JavaScript. We love an interactive web page. That is the outcome of JavaScript. The vulnerabilities in JavaScript can allow attacker to take control of your system. Plugin or add-ons. Plugin can contain programming bugs such as buffer overflow, or they may contain design flaw such as cross-site domain violation, which arises when the same original policy is not followed while developing a plugin. Now you will ask how to secure your web browser. In order to secure your web browser or securely configure most popular web browser, search for privacy and security setting for the browser. For example, if you are using Google Chrome, do a Google search stating privacy and security setting for Google Chrome. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, search for privacy and security setting for Mozilla Firefox. If you are using Internet Explorer, do the same. For Mozilla or for Microsoft Edge, search for privacy and security settings. For Apple Safari also, search for privacy and security settings. Go through the steps and it will help you to securely configure your web browser.